Hey there, ever noticed how those reversal indicators seem super promising on charts, but when you actually use them, your account takes a hit with every trade? We get it. It's frustrating, but hey, here's the deal. Trend reversal trading, that's where the real money is at. Getting it on a trend at the right time though, that's like finding a needle in a haystack. But guess what? We've cracked the code. We found this killer indicator. Seriously, it's a game changer. This bad boy not only tells you when to jump into a trade, but also when to bail out. And get this, with over 90% accuracy. So we put it to the test on both real-time Bybit demo account and backtesting, and would you believe it? We nailed an 81% win rate. Impressive, right? We're about to spill the beans on this magical indicator and show you exactly how to set it up for every single trade to go in your favor. It really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it. Or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. Now, let's get down to business. Open up a fresh chart on TradingView and head over to the Indicators tab. Look for Trend Reversal Predictor by this amazing scripter, thanks to him or her, by the way. Once you find it, slap that bad boy on your chart. Your screen should light up with something like magic, right? Now, we don't want you to miss any crucial details, so pay close attention as we tweak the settings. Click on the Style tab. See those green colors? Untick them all. Expect for the last one. Scroll a bit and do the same for the red colors until you reach the green support and red resistance options. And then, you guessed it, untick everything red except the last one. Take a snapshot if you need to. We don't want you missing out on these game-changing settings. Once you're all set up, your chart should look slick, just like ours. But hey, having the right tool is one thing, knowing how to use it is another ball game. So let's talk strategy. For a buy setup, keep your eyes peeled for a big red signal marked by M13. Wait for the market to cozy up to any of those support lines. You know, the blue, green, or dark red dotted lines. Once it touches and bounces back, that's your cue. Enter your buy position on a fresh candle and watch the market do its dance. Keep that stop loss tight and mark your trade profit at least 2 to 3 times away. Traders, if you like the content until the moment, please give it a like, because by doing that, the YouTube algorithm is going to show this video to more traders and people like you who are keen to know all about this unknown creepy world of trading, especially about technical analysis. Thank you for that. Now for a sell setup, it's the opposite dance. Look out for a big green signal, the M13 kind. When it appears, wait for the market to get cozy with any of the resistance lines, the blue, red, or dark red ones. Once it bounces back, give it a new candle to form and then hit the sell button. Remember, patience is key here. Set your stop loss just above those resistance lines and your take profit, well, that should be 3 times away from your entry position. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do, this is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci resistance levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. Oh, and one more thing. Steer clear of trading during low volumes or news events. And make sure your entries are confirmed with a bounce off those support or resistance levels. Practice this strategy on your demo account, get the hang of it, and let me know how it goes. If you've got suggestions or questions, hit us via the email or down in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't be missing any upcoming videos which I'm uploading on a daily basis. We drop killer strategies like this one for free on this channel. Hope you've picked up something valuable here. Catch you in the next video. Until then, happy trading.